Hey guys, how's it going? How to secure your Kraken account with security tools. Go ahead and open up your Kraken. Click account at the bottom right and make sure that you scroll a little bit down until you find the security option. Go ahead to the security and you have two options to secure your account. You have the passkeys, which is your iPhone or Android password, right? Or facial recognition if you're using Android or iOS, so that supports the facial recognition and passcode, and you're gonna be able to enable it. Once you open the app, you're gonna confirm via your password of your device or with your facial recognition, right? Another way you can do the authentication app. The second option, which is a powerful option that you can do, because that will allow you to basically, via each step that you make on your account or other person's account, they will ask you for their for your authenticator app, and only you only you have access to the authenticator app and the number, because the number keeps changing. If you went back to your screen and went to your Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, whatever it might be, which in Kraken's case they support Google Authenticator, you're gonna just go ahead and see right here there's a clock ticking on each account, right, on each app. So if you enable the Google Authenticator, you will see that the time's ticking, right? There is a clock on each and every single app, and it keeps changing, and only you can actually have access to it. So I prefer that option even more to secure my account, because no one will have or can do anything inside my account without my authenticator code. So let me know in the comments of this video. I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.